On this video, we'll be talking about prostate biopsy complications. The good news for anyone that is thinking about undergoing prostate biopsy is that there are few, if any, complications to be worried about. Of course, as with any other kind of procedure, prostate biopsy too is not absolutely foolproof, and so there are bound to be some complications to contend with. Typically, among the more common prostate biopsy complications you should expect is that you will notice some small quantities of blood showing up in your urine and in the semen as well as in your stool. Another one of the complications that is often reported is that patients will feel a dull kind of ache in the perineum. Fortunately, these are only minor prostate biopsy complications that you will not need to worry too much about, and furthermore, these complications will generally disappear on their own in about a week or two following the procedure. To ensure that nothing serious does occur, you should try to refrain from having sexual intercourse for 3 to 5 days following the biopsy. The only real serious prostate biopsy complications that need to be addressed without any unnecessary delay are when blood clots develop or you are unable to urinate. In such cases, you will need to get your condition checked by a doctor. Prostate biopsy that involves insertion of a needle is generally considered a low-risk procedure, and so the risk of complications is also quite low. Whatever complications that do occur include presence of bleeding in the patient's urethra and possible development of infections, and of course, not being able to urinate. The good news is that these and any other prostate biopsy complications are reversible with proper treatment, and in fact, any well-qualified doctor, when told about these complications, will be able to treat the condition and rectify the situation without much fuss. In case the urethra swells up, it can lead to difficulties in urinating, and for this, there are simple remedies available that will ensure that such prostate biopsy complications do not cause you too much discomfort. Thousands of prostate biopsies are being performed each year, though hardly any instance has been reported of prostate biopsy being anything but safe. So there is hardly anything to worry on this account. Visit our website for more info on prostate biopsy complications at prostate.healthomni.com.